In this video, we are going to be talking about finding the lateral surface area and comparing that idea to finding the total surface area. So the lateral surface area is basically just the area of the sides. All right, so you're just not going to include the top or the bottom. So there's formulas and things like that. I just like to personally break up the pieces and find the areas of the pieces and add them all together. I find that I feel more comfortable with that, and I feel like I cover everything. And it's a lot less remembering that I just have areas of squares or rectangles or triangles, and then I just add them together. So if we're finding the lateral surface area, we have this front, and the front has dimensions of 24 by 20. Okay, and we have two of them because we have a front and a back. So we're going to find the area of one, and then we're going to double it. And then the sides, we have a left and a right, is 12 by 20. And then we also have two of them because there's a right side and the left side. All right, and that's it. That's your lateral area. So 24 by 20 is 480 square inches in here. And we have two of them. So if you double that, that gets you 960 square inches. Here on the sides, the left and the right, this area is going to get you 240, but you have two of them, which should get you 480. So your lateral surface area is going to be just those two pieces added together. So 960 plus 480. And if you add those two together, you get 1,440. And since it's an area measurement, you're talking back into square inches. So it's like wrapping paper. If you were wrapping it, how many square inches of wrapping paper would you have to use to cover it? So it's not a volume, it's not the space within it, it's wrapping it around. Okay, and then we'll shift down to, well, how much changes if it's a triangular prism? Not much. And the only difference here too is they want you to find the total surface area. So I'm going to find the area of everything. So the shapes that I have are the top and the bottom are triangles. So if we were doing lateral surface area, we wouldn't include those, but we're doing everything, so we're including that. So we have two triangles. All right, and then we have three rectangles that are all exactly the same width and the same height. Okay, so the triangle, the measurements that I need out of this are that the base is 3 and the height would be 2.6. So 2.6, the base is 3, and I do have two of them. So the area on that thing is 1/2 base times height, but then I have two. Okay, so the area of one of them, if you multiply all that together, you're going to get 3.9. All right, but then you have two of them, so we'll multiply that by 2. So that gets us a total area of 7.8. Okay, so that's the area of the top and the bottom. Then the lateral sides have dimensions of 3 and 15. So the area of one of them is 45, but you have three of them, which makes 135. So your total surface area is going to be these two added together. 7.8 plus 135 makes a total of 142.8. And our label is centimeters. So we are still talking about an area measurement. So that is a square. All right. So that was finding lateral area, which are just the sides, and finding total area. So to me, I just draw my pictures, figure out what my areas are, and then add all the pieces together that I need to add together.